With our main styles created, we can now go ahead and create the styles for our navigation menu. The navigation links will be contained within an unordered list, and for this reason, we'll start by creating a rule for our UL elements. I'll just create a comment to separate our main styles from the navigation bar. And this is our first style here. So for the UL elements, we've set the list style type to none, and this will make sure that there's no bullets or numbering next to each item in the list. The margin padding is set to 0, and the background color is set to black. Next, we'll create a list rule and give it a float definition of left. This will make sure that all the links appear in one row next to one another. Also set a border right definition and set the values to 1 pixel solid and this hex code for the color. We'll need to create a rule for the last element in the list, which is the contact link. And what we want to do is we don't want a border at the end of this one. So set the last child attribute of the list property, give it a border right none definition. Now we'll create a definition for the link elements in the list. So for any A attribute contained within a list element, we've set the display to block, color to white, text alignment to center. We've added a bit of padding around the text, and no text decoration. We'll need to create a rule for the mouse over effect that you see here. And so this is how it's done. Just create a background color definition and set it to this hex code, and that's what's going to give this effect here. Lastly, we'll create a rule to set the background color of the first link to blue. So this will be an active link, just indicates to the user what page they're on. And so it's an active class with the background color set to this hex code.